Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Be logged in, update the app, and use a stable connection so changes save reliably. Once done, open Mobile Legends and tap the settings gear in the top right. Now choose Controls to enter the customization screen. This is where you change HUD layout, joystick type, and sensitivity. Make sure to back up any existing preset if you rely on it, and proceed immediately to layout edits, so you don't waste time toggling unrelated options. You now perform the detailed edits. Pick a preset or create a new one so you can revert if needed. Drag skill buttons and reposition them where your thumbs naturally rest, resize icons for comfort, and select joystick style, floating or fixed, for better control. Adjust camera lock and aim assist to match your playstyle. Once done, tweak mini-map scale and locations for quick awareness. Make sure to test changes inside the editor preview and save the preset before leaving this screen to avoid losing work. You finish by saving the preset and jumping into practice mode for real testing. This confirms spacing, response, and muscle memory. Once done, refine sensitivity, camera speed, and button spacing based on how you perform, and save incremental versions if needed. If buttons overlap, lag, or inputs misregister, make sure to clear cache, restart the device, and reinstall the game only if problems persist. Also check HUD scale and touch calibration on your phone. This completes the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.